is the March Pretty Obsessed box. I'm pretty surprised that I've got it because I cancelled this box, but let's open it up to see what we've got inside of this month's box. Here it is, and I can't get into it, which is fabulous. Oh my god, I'm going to have to destroy the box. Oh, I've super glued it down. What the hell? This is a new box from them. You're supposed to pull the tab and it's supposed to open, but both tabs are broken, so that's really handy. Oh my god, I seriously can't get in it. What? Jesus. We are in. Right, so this is a quick look inside the box for you. So this is the luxury box. You get 10 full-size items in here. I cannot remember the prices for the life of me because I put it out of my head because I didn't think I was actually getting any more of these, but I will link it down below for you if you want to go and treat yourself to this box. They do other boxes as well. They do that time of the month kind of box. They do just a skincare box, just a makeup box, and so on. And yeah, go and click that link and I think it'll get you free postage or something like that. But yeah, let's get digging to see what is in my last box. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. First item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Bubble Tea, and this is, oh, it's Pear Bath Crumble for the bath only. Do not eat or drink. Common sense, people, please. Yeah, this actually looks good. I think I've had these before and I think I really like them. Bubble Tea is a really affordable brand that do some lovely bath products. So yeah, product number one. Second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Tempest, I want to say. Basically you get 3 triple blade stainless steel premium razors with contour removable head for easy shave. Yeah, so basically 3 shavers. They don't look the most expensive, let's try to be nice here, but they look a bit cheap if I'm honest. But yeah, they will get used. The third item we've got is this. So this is by the brand Beauty Formulas, and this is a hair mask. Oh, coconut oil conditioning hair mask made with coconut oil, obviously. Nourished and hydrated. Oh, now that definitely sounds interesting. This brand, I'm sure you can get it in your local chemists, in your pound shops and Savers and so on. I think it's actually under £1. I'm not sure. But I'll certainly be trying it because I love trying stuff on my hair, especially when it's got coconut oil in there. Product number 4 we have is this. So again, this is by the same brand, Beauty Formulas, and this is a bubble face mask, deep cleanse, volcanic ash. Okay, that certainly does sound interesting. So yeah, you just whack this on your face, leave for 3 to 5 minutes until the bubbles appear across the face, and then work the bubbles into a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Yeah, it sounds quite easy to use, which is fab. Again, quite a cheap brand. The fifth product we have is this. This is by Emery Nails and it is a gel polish. It just says, yeah, gloss polish in the shade Ruby. If I can open that without damaging it. I'm not going to open it up because this is probably going to go in one of my giveaways because I've got colours that are very similar to that. And it is a really nice shade. It's a nice little brand of nail varnish. But I do find we do get these in here quite often, don't we? But yeah, I must admit I do like the colour. Sixth product we have is this. So this is by the brand Saturated Colour. Is that what you call it? yeah, Saturated Colour Cosmetics. And this is a lip eye pencil. Yeah, you can use it on your lips or your eyes. The colour is Oscillated Orchid, and the colour is interesting. If I can open this up, I will show you. And that is what the colour is like. I must admit it's nice and soft, but Jesus Christ, it's not my kind of colour. I don't even think on my lips, but you never know. I'll pop it in my drawer. There might be a fancy dress or something. But maybe if I wear all black and then a nice bright lip, possibly. 7th item we have is this. Again, it is by the same brand, Saturated Colour. And yeah, it is a lipstick in the shade Lady in Red. So let's open this up. That is what that looks like. That's actually a really nice shade of red. What would have been nice is if they matched the lip liner and the lipstick together. That would have been a lovely little touch. But okay, yeah, I mean, that, as I say, is a really, really nice red. The 8th product we have in the box is this. So it's by the brand Rival Cosmetics, and it's a brow and lash serum. There is nothing else wrote on there at all. No information, nothing. It's not sealed either, so that isn't filling me with confidence. It smells, I mean, it says it's a brow and lash serum. It actually smells like castor oil. It has that castor oily kind of smell. Okay, I mean, if it's gonna help nourish my lashes and brows, I would love to grow some eyebrow here and here, because they kind of stop there, and I haven't got the patience to draw eyebrows on. It would look like a child done it, even if I did try and do it in any way. But yeah, if I can grow my lashes and my eyebrows, interesting. But I don't think that that's a very expensive item at all, considering the way that it's come. There's no packaging, no nothing. Last 2 products in this box is very interesting, so I'm going to start with this one. So this is the 9th product, and this is by the brand Symbiosis London. Quite pricey, I think, if I can remember correctly. And this is a 2-in-1 eye and cheek skin tight recovery pads. So yeah, it has collagen and hyaluronic acid in here. Love hyaluronic acid, and yeah, actually I love collagen too. I need all the collagen I can get. Yeah, I love eye patches, and especially if they can be used on the cheeks as well. That is absolutely fab. It's just this packaging. It looks like somebody's already opened it. Weird. I mean, that's sealed itself, so that's actually okay. Yeah, that makes me feel a bit more comfortable. That bit is sealed. But yes, I will definitely be getting these used up, especially by that brand. I really like this brand, very nice. And again, by the same brand for the 10th product is this. So this is Overnight Rejuvenating Eye Serum. What has it got in here? Glycolic acid and RNA. Apply in the morning and evening onto clean, dry skin around the eye area. Guys, really impressed with these 2 products, or the brand that is. Okay, so this is the March Pretty Obsessed box. What do you think? Personally, this box is sketchy. It's not fabulous. It's really, really not fabulous for the price that you're paying for this box. Not too happy. Those 2 products here save the box for me because it's a really good brand and they're actually worth something. Moving on to these products here. Them razors, they look cheap. There's no other way of saying it. They look cheap. The brow and eyelash serum, that looks cheap as well. There's no packaging on it at all. There's no written information, only the name of the company and what the product is. There's nothing else on there, and it wasn't even sealed. The beauty formula face mask and hair mask. You can get them in Savers or the pound shop, and I'm sure they are £1 or less. I do actually like bubble tea, so I'm going to let that product off because bubble tea do some really, really nice bath products. That, what colour? I mean, that is so not me, that pink colour. What the hell am I going to wear that with? I think that is something that they couldn't sell and they've sold it onto a beauty box, and then the beauty box has just put it in there because it hasn't cost them a lot of money. That's what I think is that one. The lipstick, same brand again. Again, it's nice. It's actually a really nice red colour. But why couldn't they do like a little set, like a little matching lip liner to go with the lipstick? Even if the lipstick was that weird pink colour, you know, it would be a set. The polish is I mean, it's okay. We do get the polishes quite often in the box. It is a pretty colour. But yeah, these two products right here by Symbiosis London. These are the stars of the show. The rest of them you can take or leave it. So yeah, I'm really, really happy to get this. If I didn't get these in the box and it was something else like that, I'd be very upset. But like I say, I wasn't even expecting this box because I've cancelled it. So this should be my last box. Should. But yeah, what do you think? Comment down below. Do you get this box? Are you interested in getting it? If you are, I will link the website down below. You can get free postage on your box. You can have a look at the different boxes they do, see if there's one that actually suits you. But getting this box, as in my last box, I'm not sorry that I cancelled. So that's quite a nice feeling. I haven't made my mind up on a replacement box just yet. If I am 100% honest with you, money is tight at the moment, and with the boxes that I buy, I don't know if I can replace it. I think this is a box I'm going to have to, well, obviously it is cancelled, I've cancelled it. This is a box where I'm just going to not replace as of yet until the money situation's better. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.